Creating smart art in PowerPoint can be a great help in getting ideas across, especially since not everyone is a graphic artist. The ability to create what are sometimes called structured graphics quickly can save both time and stress. The coolest part of working with the feature is the variety of graphic presets available. One, which shows up fairly regularly, is the organization chart, so we'll demonstrate that here. Starting with a blank slide for convenience, we can go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and look in the Illustrations group. And here we can find the SmartArt button, and we'll go ahead and give it a click. In the dialog box, we can take a quick look around. If we wanted to see the entire variety of possible SmartArt graphics, we could click All over there on the left. Since we know we want an org chart for this example, the category that we would want to look at is the one called Hierarchy. So we'll click on that. Click it and look to the right, and here we see that Organization Chart, luckily, is the first item. Give it a click. We should then probably take a look at the little bit of a blurb over here on the right. It's always a good idea to look at the blurb. Just make sure it's the right thing, make sure it'll work for you. And then, of course, we can click OK at the bottom. And from here, it's pretty straightforward. We can simply click in each box and type whatever caption we need. So I'll click in the top box and say type in CEO. Click the next box down and type in Secretary. Next box down again, and VP Ops. Okay. Now, if we wanted to add more boxes, the main thing is to make sure that we add them connected to the right previous box. So although there is a drop-down for this in the SmartArt Design tab, we can actually go over here and add shape. Right-clicking is sometimes a bit faster. So if we give the box in question a right-click, we can take a look at the Add Shape command about halfway up the menu, and then we can find on the submenu which new shape we want, how it relates to the current one. So add shape below, for example. Click in the box and maybe type something like Assistant VP. We can go to the SmartArt Design tab again and take a look at some of the layouts over here. We can see that if we hover on a couple of these, we get previews, and we have at least a few variations for most of them. If we went over to SmartArt Styles, we're talking about the appearance of the org chart, and we can see that by clicking the drop-down, we can try out, usually, again, at least 6 or 8 variations on the theme. If some combination works with what we have in mind, if it's clear and understandable, obviously good. We may also want to take a moment and take a look under the Change Colors menu, see if there's anything more suitable to the theme of the slides, or to our product branding standards, if any. About the only limitation is how many elements we can fit in the SmartArt on the slide. We don't want to lose readability in the boxes or other shapes, so we may occasionally need to partition the information across multiple slides in SmartArt Graphics. Otherwise, just following the usual guidelines of color scheme, contrast, and so on will give us a usable and professional result.